Fuzzies is what he's got there. He just doesn't deal with him, he deals in lots of auto repairs. You might want to see him. He's got business cards and such over there. We have got lots of chances to sell up here on by winning anything up here at the pavilion, up the shelter. $1 a piece on tickets for 6 for 5. Go up there and talk to one of the attendants and they'll say all the tickets you want. You've got to say all of them for that matter. Also up there we have 50-50 pot going. Registration is under the pavilion. If you haven't registered and you want to, you might go up here at the pavilion, see Jeff and his staff, and they'll fix you up on registration. Again, we want to thank everybody for coming out here this 4th of July Cars and Park Car Show. And trophies will be presented at 3 p.m. And they will be presented up around the pavilion.
Okay, we've had a lot of fun. We got Mary She was born in '06, so for that 3 years we were out. We were out there. Sarah places tickets to Colorado.